Drug giant Moderna is seeking emergency use authorization for a COVID-19 vaccine for use in young children 6 months to under 6 years old.
The drug maker submitted its request to the FDA today. A decision is expected sometime in June. The vaccine for young kids is given as 2 25 microgram doses 4 weeks apart. Moderna says the vaccine is 51% effective against symptomatic infection in those younger than 2 and 37% effective in those 2 to under 6 years old.
Another drug giant, Pfizer, is also expected to submit data to the FDA soon for a 3-dose regimen for children under 5. Families have grown more and more frustrated without a vaccine for those younger kids. As we know, children under 5 are the only group ineligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Joining us now is CBS News medical contributor, Dr. David Agus. Dr. Agus, welcome. Now, if approved, this, as you know, would be the first vaccine for kids younger than 6, 5 and younger. I guess what took us so long to get here, and how confident are you in Moderna's data?
24 million kids in the United States under the age of 5. So this matters to a lot of families in our country. You know, it's been a year and a half since we got a vaccine for adults. And in that time period, obviously, you know, every parent is waiting for their child. In children, you know, Pfizer did a low dose, and it was too low a dose. They're going from a 2-shot to a 3-shot, and they will submit their data over the next several weeks. Moderna's 2-shot seemed to be a good antibody response, the same as that was seen in adults. And from that, we think that's enough to provide protection against serious illness. So as you saw in the data, the numbers in terms of any symptoms is very low in terms of what it could prevent. So I do think it's a good vaccine. What we know from the data in February is 75% of kids in the United States have been exposed to COVID already. So a large number have some immunity. Giving more immunity with a vaccine can only be good to prevent long COVID and serious complications.
Dr. Agus, as you know, and we've mentioned, data from the CDC shows less than 30% of children ages 5 to 11 have received 2 doses of the vaccine. That's fairly low. Should we expect similar numbers for kids under age 5? I'm one of those parents. My son is only 1. I'm anxious for this vaccine, but I hear a lot of fellow moms with kids under 5. Some are worried, some are anxious. What needs to be done to boost parents' confidence in this vaccine?
To get normative behavior change, you need leadership, and we are sorely lacking focused leadership that presents data to parents in this country. So I don't believe you should tell parents what to do. What I believe is you need to explain things very clearly. What are the pros and what are the cons? What we know is viral infection has a significant chance of having long COVID or long-term complications, and it has a lower chance, but a real chance of serious illness. Hundreds of kids over the last month have been hospitalized in this country. At the same time, the vaccine is safe and it works to prevent serious illness. So we need to get that word out there better and stop politicizing these vaccines and really empower parents to take care of these young kids so they don't have a lifelong of problems from being exposed to the virus. And people jump on me all the time. How dare you push a vaccine? We are not pushing a vaccine. What we're trying to do is explain the data so parents can make a cogent decision for the future of their child. We have to do better in this country at this.
Dr. Agus, as you know, Dr. Fauci suggested last week that the FDA may want to review data for those vaccines for children from Moderna and Pfizer, both at the same time, to avoid any sort of confusion and perhaps better compare the options. What's your take on that?
So, you know, we've been normalized to this Pfizer vaccine for under 18. It's the only vaccine that's approved for people under 18 in this country. The Moderna vaccine is new for kids. And so I do think there's some reticence to a new vaccine. The data on the 3 shots, I imagine, will be as good as the 2 shots of Moderna, potentially a little bit better. And I do think parents want to make that decision, looking at tens of millions of kids under 18 have gotten the Pfizer shot, none yet on the Moderna. So there may be some reticence to a new shot. So I think putting them out together, if the data are within a couple weeks of each other, makes a lot of sense so we can really make the right educated decision for our children.
Dr. David Agus, I'll probably call you later with a million more questions. Thank you so much.